Welcome back to the Daily Blessing. Today, we embrace a profound word that speaks to healing, second chances, and the power of starting over. Our blessed word for today is redemption. The Roman Catholic Bible gives us this powerful declaration of God's grace in the book of Ephesians chapter 1, verse 7. This is the heart of the good news. Let's turn to Ephesians chapter 1, verse 7. And it reads like this. In him we have redemption through his blood, the forgiveness of sin in accordance with the riches of God's grace. The word redemption means to be brought back, restored, and completely set free from past debts and errors. This is the ultimate spiritual reset button. It means that no mistake, no failure, and no setback is final. God's grace is so rich and abundant that it completely covers your past, giving you total freedom in the present. This truth is the source of incredible, liberating, positive energy. You do not have to carry yesterday's burdens. You are blessed with the certainty that your story is not defined by your failings, but by God's amazing power to redeem and restore all things. You are fundamentally cleaned and free right now. We all have moments we wish we could take back. Words spoken in anger, opportunities missed, or choices that brought regret. The world constantly tries to remind you of these things, but today's blessing calls you to reject that condemnation. Today, live in the absolute confidence of your redemption. It empowers you to release self-condemnation and embrace your future. When you feel the weight of a past mistake, deliberately counter it with this truth. I am redeemed. I am forgiven. I am restored. This is the only way to fully walk in the joy and peace intended for you. Today, claim your full redemption. Leave the past behind and step into the newness of life God has prepared for you. That is your blessing for today. Now, let's share this liberating truth. Subscribe to the Daily Blessing and share this message with someone who needs a beautiful reminder of their second chance today. God bless you. I'm Carl Rue. See you next time.